Hi there, students. To elide and the noun elision. Okay, to elide we can actually use in two ways, or maybe even three. Firstly, to elide, to leave something out, to omit something. Yeah, particularly when you're speaking. Elision. Elision is the missing out of sounds. So in English we say vegetable as opposed to vegetable. Yeah, or comfortable, not comfortable, but comfortable. Okay, these are examples of elision. Or if you say don't instead of do not, yeah, you're missing out a sound. We can also use to elide, meaning to join things together, to merge. So, for example, I think the difference between what is right and what is normal, the difference very often becomes elided. Yeah, so what is normal is right, but not always is this true. Okay, or when you have a camera that speeds up something, you have one frame every 4 hours. The time period elides into just a few seconds. It joins together. It merges. Yeah, and this is also elide. And effectively, if you miss something out, well, the things either side of it elide and they join together. Okay, let's look at elision in English. Elision is the dropping of a syllable. Yeah, I'm thinking, for example, this famous word water, which often is pronounced water. Yeah, water. The T in the center of the word is completely elided. Yeah, by eliding your T's, you can sound tough and very street legal. Yeah, or for example, we could say laboratory, or we could just say laboratory. Yeah, in the laboratory. Okay, and there we're missing out syllables. Yeah, we're missing out sounds, and this is elision. I'm gonna do it soon. Gonna. I'm going to do it soon. Again, this is another example of elision. It isn't here. Okay, as opposed to it is not here. Here you're leaving something out. Okay, so elision is in linguistics is leaving out a letter or a syllable between two words, and often we put that apostrophe there to say it. Elision can also be the deliberate leaving out of something. If you leave something out on purpose, then you leave it out, you ignore it. Yeah, particularly in the distinction between two things. I think maybe many of the more complex words, originally they had subtle differences in nuance, but these differences have elided over time. They've been subject to elision and they've joined together. Okay, so if two concepts elide, then you stop thinking about the differences and consider them as one as the same meaning. The difference between a near synonym and a full synonym, yeah, is when the differences in meanings have elided. Okay, so to elide, to omit something, to ignore something. Yeah, but in language, to elide, elision, to omit a vowel, a consonant, a syllable in your pronunciation. Yeah, okay. Elision is the leaving out of words, the omitting of words. So let's see, formality, to elide. To omit or to join together. How formal. I think I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I don't think I would even use it in a semi-formal one. Use it in semi-formal and formal writing. And elision, well, this is a technical thing, so I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation about linguistics, yeah? But again, 7 in formality, something like that. And then as to origin, from Latin, elido, I strike out, yeah? And that's come to elide. X and lidare, to crash or to clash. So to clash out, I guess to crush out or to get rid of or something like that. So elision, the leaving out of syllables. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Elide Elision.